Hi guys. So, I started this video but I couldn't turn around because, sorry about this junk, we're getting ready to leave town, but I started a video and I couldn't turn the camera around because I'm just doing this on my phone. So, this is a nature box that I subscribed to. First time ever subscribing. So, we are going to see what is in here, if I can do this one-handed. Oh, goodness sakes. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, don't need all that stuff. Sorry about the mess. Like I said, we're okay. Crunchy barbecue twist, sweet and smoky barbecue seasoned lentil flour twist. Okay, interesting. Big Island pineapple. Oh my goodness, I love pineapple. This, I'm sure I will like. Yum. What is this? Wine voucher. Don't need that. This is crispy snickerdoodles. My youngest Justin used to love snickerdoodles when he was a baby. Okay. Couple more things. Sriracha roasted cashews. I love cashews, but I cannot do spicy, so I'm guessing Greg will like these. Ah, the cashews though are so good. And last but not least is a Greek yogurt apple cinnamon oat bar, which sounds really good, and it's breakfast time and I haven't ate breakfast, so I think I'm gonna open this and try a little bite. Sorry about the craziness here. So this is what it looks like. And what is it again? Greek yogurt apple cinnamon oat bar. So I did take a bite. It's good. Definitely good. So that is my unboxing, my Nature Box unboxing. Not sponsored. I subscribed to them to give it a try. And then if I, think it's worth it, then I will continue. Otherwise, I'll just cut it off and find something else to try. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will be back with a makeup product review maybe later today or tomorrow. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.